So this is question 1 from 2005, core 1, Edexcel. So question 1a is write down the value of 16 to the power of a half. Well, this is the same as saying what is the square root of 16? And the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Part B is write down the value of 16 to the minus 3 over 2. So we'd like to express this as 2 powers to make it a little bit simpler. So what we're looking for is what is 16 to some fraction times by 16 to some fraction, as when we times 2 to the same numbers, their indice powers add. So if we break down minus 3 over 2, we can break this into minus 2 over 2, add to minus 1/2, as that's how we add fractions. So we can rewrite 16 to the minus 3 over 2 as 16 to minus 2 over 2 times by 16 to a minus 1/2. These powers will add when multiplying. So when something is to the negative power, it's called taking a reciprocal. So if we rewrite this again, we get 1 over 16, 2 over 2 is 1, so 1 over 16 to the power of 1, times by 1 over 16 to a power of 1/2. What's useful to note, in these types of questions, you tend to have solved part of this in part A. As you can see, we've got 16 to the 1/2 here and 16 to the 1/2 here. So we can rewrite this quite simply as 1 over 16, because 16 to the power of 1 is 16, times by 4. So then it's just a simple multiplication. 16 times 4 is 64. So the answer is 1 over 64.